Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Susmita Kausik. I'm going to share in front of you some trick and tips which will be very helpful for you for learning this language. Everyone want learn this language but they can't start. They always think how I can learn this language, okay? How I start to learn this language. But I'm going to share in front of you some trick and tips which will be very helpful for you. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to share in front of you some special trick which will be very helpful for you for beginners. Some people they want to learn this language but they don't know how I start to learn this language, okay? How I start to speak this language. Guys, I'm going to help you to in this case how you start to learn this language, how you start to speak, okay? There is some trick and tips. If you follow these things, then definitely you start to speak English. What are these things? First is, if you really want to start speak, if you really want to learn this language, you have to start watching video. You have to watch a lots video related English, okay? It's depend on you which kind videos you prefer to watch, which kind videos you like most to watch. Whatever you want, podcast, movies, blogs, cartoons videos, whatever you want, whatever you interest to watch, you can start to watch, okay? It will be very helpful for you to understand. Before speak, you have to understand exact what they are saying, what I have to say of this situation, how I'm making sentences. You get knowledge from this kind of videos, okay? If you get knowledge how to speak of this situation, how can I make sentences, then second thing you have to do thinking, okay? After watching these videos, you have to start to think and you have to narrate itself what they exact said in these videos, okay? What they exact said in these videos about this situation. You have to create in your mind this situation. You have to narrate this all things by yourself, okay? Don't watch too much video in once, but whatever you watch, you have to try to narrate this. You have to try to understand what they exact said, okay? If you're not able to understand these videos, movies podcasts, can on subtitle and you can start to read. It will be very helpful for you to understand. Even though you are not understand, then you come back to cartoons videos, because cartoon videos they make for kids. They use very simple words, very simple vocabs and very simple grammar, and they use very correct grammar to explain everything. Because of watching cartoons videos, many kids they can learn English by these cartoons videos, okay? It will very helpful for learners. If you do not understand still cartoons videos, then you can on subtitles again and you can start to read these subtitles. It will be very helpful for you. Definitely you will understand what they are saying exact, okay? If you can't able to read these things, then you can make slow video, then you can read this, then again you can play these videos. If you do like this, then it will be very helpful for you, okay? After watching these videos, you can start to think, okay, what they exact said on this situation. If you start to do like these things, then definitely you can change in your progress after few days. And second thing, if you comfortable to think in English, if you able to make sentences in English very easily, then you start to speak with any person, okay? With your family members. For removing hesitation, start speak with your family members, okay? The family members can't judge you too much. If they judge you, then you can think they are guiding me for more improving, okay? Don't feel hesitate with family members, okay? Because they are your own. They do not say to any other person you are doing like these things. First thing, watching movies or whatever you want, watching cartoon video is very helpful for you, for beginners. Okay, after some time you can start to think. After thinking, after able to think, after able to making some sentences, then you can start speak little bit. At least 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can start to speak with anyone. You have to create environment at your home if you really improve your communication then. Okay, you have to start do these things. After 2 months, you can see your change. Okay, definitely you can see your change, how much you got improvement. After a few months, if you feel comfortable to speak everything, then you can start like this platform. There are too many platforms available. You can use any platform for speak. You have to find partner to speak, for get fluency. And where you get, there are too many platforms available. You can choose any platform and you can start to use these things. Okay, it will be very helpful for you. Definitely guys, believe me, I did this kind of things, that's why I'm advising you. It's my personal experience, what I did, this kind of things I'm sharing with you. I'm not still perfect, but I'm learning now. But now I'm sharing in front of you my experience, what exact helped me a lot to learn this language. It will be definitely help you. This video, if you get helpful, if you get some knowledge from this video, then please like this video and comment me which kind of videos I have to bring for you. If you want more videos like this, then definitely I will bring for you. Please let me know in comment box. I am eagerly waiting for your comments. I hope it's video very helpful for you. We will meet again with another video. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep progressing. Thank you.